a massive solar field. When finished, it will cover 141 hectares, roughly the size of 265 football fields. Break it down and you get this: tons of aluminum framing, nearly 200,000 specially designed mirror panels, and over 72 kilometers of heat-gathering tubes. These are the building blocks of a simple yet powerful technology. It's called concentrated solar power, or CSP. Say solar power, and most of us think of roof panels, photovoltaic or PV technology. These glass-encased solar cells convert sunlight directly into electricity. Problem is, these solar panels capture just a fraction of the sun's energy, and they're too expensive for large-scale use. Concentrated solar power, on the other hand, doesn't create electricity directly. Instead, it captures and concentrates the rays of the sun to create heat, much the same way we did as children. But in place of the small magnifying glass, Nevada Solar One uses huge parabolic or curved mirrors.
When the sun hits the mirrors, it's reflected just here. This is what a parabola does. Every point on the mirror got to one line. And this line is like a magnifying glass. So it's getting really, really hot. The mirrors, it's made of very, very clean glass. There is no iron in it. So if you compare this glass with your window, the amount of light that can get in is 100 times more than a window. So it goes to the silver surface and it's reflected. So that's why they are so efficient.
These mirrors focus the sun's rays more than 70 times their normal intensity onto a single focal point, a long cylinder filled with synthetic oil called a receiver tube. The liquid travels through rows of mirrors and gathers more and more heat until it reaches temperatures of nearly 400 degrees Celsius. The hot tube then passes through a heat exchanger where water is turned into steam. Finally, like any traditional power plant, the steam drives a turbine to produce electricity.